Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the inverse function. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that the base of this one that is about number 6. So I will put number 6 for the both sides. So we have the formula in here. So A that is about number 6, B that is about x minus 1. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, I will put negative number 1 go to the left. And now we can find the inverse function in here. And we have 6 to the power of s plus 1. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.